This nozzle alignment tool is designed to measure 7 mm from the exact centre of the Coldhead nozzle. This is an optimal position for a crystal sample to sit inside the nitrogen gas stream. Accurate alignment of the cold stream to the sample is vital to avoid ice formation, as it ensures the crystal stays in the coldest part of the stream as it rotates. First, attach the nozzle alignment tool to the nozzle. You'll need to tighten the thumb screw to hold it in place. Use the XYZ translation knobs on the Varibeam to adjust the position of the nozzle. The tip of the nozzle alignment tool should come into focus at the centre of the crosshairs, close to the sample position. Take note of the position on the height scale and retract the nozzle sufficiently so that you can remove the nozzle alignment tool. Now return the Coldhead to the aligned position. Now you're ready to run the Cryostream. If you have any questions about your installation, our support team will be more than happy to help.